Hey, welcome back guys to the Stock Estate. It's time for our weekly video again. Okay, I know it's been a while since I did it, but I did give somewhat an update on what's happening over at my community post. So again, if I do not post anything, updates will either be at the community post or it will be in my newsletter. So again, I want you to go and follow the newsletter if you want to know and get more information from me, right? So I really missed you guys, right? And last few weeks has been really volatile. I mentioned before that last week I'm going to stay a little bit more conservative, and I have MGY and AA on my watch list for any opportune swing trade if oil goes crazy. So let's go and update for the last week's picks, right? So again, I didn't enter MGY. All right, I was a little bit more hesitant. So I'm going to be transparent. I didn't enter this trade at all, but it turns out, right, those of you who managed to catch this oil wave, right, so if you managed to enter on the lows over here, you definitely would have taken a good 12% profits for the week itself, right? Because I was looking at this, right, for an opportune bounce, because it's following the moving averages pretty closely, right? You can see over here, very closely in the moving averages. So if you managed to catch this trade, good job, right? Well done with you. And if you have set your stop losses right, all right, you would have taken the risk managed approach to this swing trade, all right, which I want you to do in this market environment, which is especially important. Right, so another few more updates again. SPY again have closed, right, after the massive sell-off, right, up again, a very strong bullish engulfing pattern, which just means that this candle itself, right, this green candle way overshadows the previous candle. That means a lot of buying pressure comes in, right, way more than the selling pressure that was the day before. So this is the weekly candle, so this is on weekly basis. This is a very bullish sign, all right, and if it can break through this this point, all right, you can go to the further upside of back to its all-time highs again. This is a very tough environment to play around, because there's a lot of geopolitics as well as things that's happening, a lot of fundamental news that could potentially change the movement of the markets itself. So must be very careful. But if big caps start to rally, all right, this coming week I'm going to look at NVDA, right? NVIDIA has been a very popular stock, and stocks that have a lot of people's eyes on it are the best, because those are the ones that will attract the most attention, right? And a lot of demand that's going to come in when it comes. So again, NVIDIA popped massively, right? You can see over here, NVIDIA was like what? At the lows, at the base of around 212, all right, forming a very strong base, bounce once, twice, thrice, 4 times. Then with the entire market itself, it rallied up all the way here, which is an insane amount, right? Honestly, an insane amount. So if you look at this over here, right? Oops, wrong one. This over here, from here to here, that's a 26% pop. All right, so for this coming week, right, I'm not going to enter this trade immediately. I'm going to look at the overall market condition. If SPY manages to hold its level and slowly inch up, what I want to see is the SPY to slowly inch up, right? Don't spike up massively, slowly inch up. And for NVDA itself, right, to hold above this level. So what do I mean by that? So I want it the pullback. So right now it's a massive pop, right? You can see from the RSI, the CCI over here, the indicator is way oversold. Way overbought, all right, and we want to see it come down before entering. So again, the coming down, right, so the pullback, I want it to be a very gentle pullback where it forms a base right above the moving average over here. You can see this 2 moving average, 1 moving average, 2 moving average. It will kind of converge at this line, and I want the price action to stay above this line, right, maybe for the first 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, all right. Then if it happens like this, then I'll enter the trade around here. Let me just go it up here. Right, the trade I'll enter near the consolidation stop loss, right? If you are a conservative trader and in this kind of very violent volatile market, I would suggest to set a stop loss a little bit wider below this, which is 18% loss. So you gotta position your price targets a little bit more accordingly. But again, profit-taking targets will be 22%, all right, to the upside. All right, I'm going for a high probability trade. That means a trade that has a high probability of winning, all right, not really for the high risk to reward ratio, especially in this kind of market environment, to endure those kind of very volatile swings. All right, otherwise you could really do a shorter swing trade with this, a couple of days. You could set the stop loss a little bit tighter as well. It's up to you. All right. So this coming week, all right, navigate this market smoothly, all right, and for a lot of the longer term plays, right, you can see a lot of massive buying pressure come in, and if this is the stop of the bleeding, all right, and the start of a new bull run, all right, our long-term portfolios, all right, along with swing trading is going to come roaring back again. And good job, good luck, and I shall see you again in the next video, everyone. All right, Stock Estate out.